What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to read a PDF in dark mode in Adobe Acrobat. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Adobe Acrobat, or you can just type acrobat.adobe.com. After that, you will be directed to the homepage of Adobe Acrobat, but if you have not installed and logged in with your email ID and password, Adobe Acrobat won't work. So you first have to download Adobe Acrobat and then log in with your email and password. Now, after logging in, on the right side at the corner, you can see your profile icon. Click on that and then click on settings. Now, after clicking on settings, scroll down at the bottom and then you will see the option of appearance. You can use the system settings or you can change it to light and dark. So for this video, we want to change it to the dark mode. Simply click on dark and click on save. So now your appearance in the dark mode has been saved. Now you can read your PDFs in dark mode, and this is how you can change the PDF appearance in the light or dark mode in Adobe Acrobat PDF Viewer. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.